Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Well, for today I'm taking part in the Look for List challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and her co-host for this month, Lisa from Burningham. I'll link their channels and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Now without further ado, let's get started! For my entry, I decided to recreate this wall art that I found in the Anthropologie website. It stated $348 for it, and I thought it was exorbitant to say the least. So, I took basic computer paper and black watercolor paints and started doing the lines. Then, keeping the picture as reference, I took a black marker and drew the outline and filled in the inside with the more black paint. It did take a couple coats. And then to frame it, I'm reusing this frame that I used in a previous Valentine's Day project. You can also paint the frame to match the picture, but I thought the brown went well, so I left it as is. These tabs did give me a hard time. Let me know in the comments down below if you also have a hard time taking these tabs. Finally. Next, I remove the inserts. And checked out how to place the painting inside. If you like home decor, organization and DIY on a budget, please be sure to click the red subscribe button and the bell button to join our blessed family. Then, as I saw the picture, it actually had rough torn edges and it was placed on top of the matting. So I took a scale and tore the edges. This way it was easier for me to get the rough edges. Next, I placed the painting inside first and then the mat on top. And I removed the previous image from the front. I did have to clean the glass with a wet cloth. And then I placed the paper and the backing and pushed down the tabs. And this was it. This is the inspiration and this was my recreation. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you, Yami and Lisa, for this lovely challenge. Hope you all like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you.